Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best backpacking stoves that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker, a weekend camper, or just someone who loves cooking in the great outdoors, this list has something for everyone. Check out the product links in the description below for more details. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the AOTU Portable Camping Stove. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those just starting out or looking for a backup stove without breaking the bank. With a price tag of just $8.22, it's the most affordable option on our list. Despite its low price, this stove features a lightweight aluminum alloy construction that is resistant to high temperatures and rust, making it surprisingly durable for repeated outdoor use. Plus, its compact design, measuring just 3.74 x 2.56 x 2.95 inches, makes it incredibly portable. In terms of performance, the AOTU stove delivers a maximum energy output of 3,000 watts, which is impressive for its size. It has an adjustable control valve, allowing you to fine-tune the flame from a simmer to a full boil. While it may not be the most wind-resistant option out there, its honeycomb windproof net helps improve combustion efficiency. It's compatible with 7/16 thread single butane or butane propane fuel canisters, though it won't work with propane canisters. Keep in mind, the stove does not come with fuel, so you'll need to purchase that separately. The AOTU stove is ideal for solo campers or small groups, as it supports cookware with up to a 20-centimeter diameter and can handle meals for 1 to 3 people. However, if you're planning to cook for larger groups or in extremely windy conditions, you might want to consider a more robust option. Still, for its price, portability, and ease of use, the AOTU Portable Camping Stove is a fantastic entry-level choice. Pros include its low cost and lightweight design, while cons include limited wind resistance and compatibility with specific fuel types. At number 4, we have the Faceit Solvit 6800W Portable Windproof Camping Stove. This stove stands out for its powerful 6800W output, which enables it to boil 1 liter of water in under 2 minutes. Built with 3 high-quality brass burners, this stove offers excellent durability, high temperature resistance, and anti-corrosion properties. Its windproof design ensures consistent performance even in challenging outdoor conditions, making it a reliable choice for backpackers and campers. The Faceit Solvit stove also features a built-in piezoelectric ignition system, which makes starting the stove effortless. Its adjustable flame controller allows for precise heat customization to suit various cooking needs. Additionally, its compatibility with multiple fuel types, including butane, isobutane, and propane, provides versatility for different camping scenarios. The extended 50-centimeter hose adds an extra layer of safety and convenience, especially when compared to shorter hoses typically found in similar stoves. In terms of build quality, the stove is equipped with 3 sturdy feet and serrated pot supports, ensuring stability and accommodating cookware of various sizes. Its 10-kilogram weight capacity makes it suitable for group cooking, and its foldable design enhances portability. However, at 15.2 ounces, it's not the lightest option on our list. Overall, the Faceit Solvit stove is a great mid-range choice for those prioritizing power and wind resistance. Pros include its high output, multi-fuel compatibility, and robust construction. Cons include its heavier weight and slightly higher price point compared to other budget options. Coming in at number 3 is the Odyland 6 Pieces Camping Cookware Mess Kit. This all-in-one package is perfect for campers who want a complete cooking solution in a compact and portable setup. The kit includes 2 aluminum non-stick pots, a foldable camping stove, a spork, a cleaning cloth, and a carry bag. While the exact price isn't available, it offers excellent value for those looking for both cooking gear and a reliable stove. The camping stove in this kit is foldable and compact, designed to save space and fit neatly in the included mesh bag. The aluminum pots are lightweight, durable, and feature foldable handles for easy storage. The non-stick coating ensures quick cleanup after meals, and the strong anodized aluminum construction is built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. The package is designed to accommodate a fuel canister, making it a convenient choice for backpackers who need to optimize space in their packs. In terms of performance, the stove heats quickly and is easy to set up, though it doesn't provide the same level of wind resistance as other standalone stoves on this list. However, the inclusion of cookware makes this kit a great choice for beginners or anyone who wants a complete setup for hiking, camping, or picnics. Pros include its all-in-one design, lightweight materials, and portability. Cons include average wind resistance and the lack of advanced flame control features. Overall, the Odyland Mess Kit is a versatile and convenient option for outdoor enthusiasts. Our runner-up at number 2 is the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 Ultralight Camping Stove. This premium option is designed for minimalist adventurers who prioritize portability and performance. Weighing just 2.6 ounces, the Pocket Rocket 2 is one of the lightest stoves on our list. It's compact enough to fit in the palm of your hand, folding down to a mere 2 by 2 by 3 inches, making it an ideal choice for ultralight backpacking and global travel. Despite its small size, this stove delivers impressive performance. It can boil a liter of water in just 3.5 minutes, and the flame is easily adjustable from a simmer to a rolling boil, allowing for gourmet cooking in the outdoors. The serrated pot supports accommodate a wide range of pot sizes, making it versatile for different cooking setups. The Pocket Rocket 2 uses high-performance isobutane propane fuel canisters, which are self-sealing and widely available. Though fuel is not included with the stove, the build quality is top-notch, featuring durable aluminum construction and a lightweight protective case for storage. While it doesn't include integrated wind protection, it performs well in most conditions and is incredibly easy to set up. The MSR Pocket Rocket 2 is best suited for solo hikers or small groups who value efficiency and portability. Pros include its ultralight design, fast boiling time, and high build quality. Cons include its premium price and lack of built-in wind resistance. Overall, it's a top-tier choice for serious backpackers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.